Alright, so working on my 2008 F350 6.4 liter Super Duty. I need to go ahead and replace the locking hub assembly. Part of the piece broke, but I got this new piece from Ford. Ordered it there. Part number on it, there's a couple of them on here. The Alpha Charlie 3 Zulu -3 Bravo 396 Alpha, and then 1X, and then there's also a part number of 5096445. Yeah, that Alpha one is the right one to go for. And it cost me $147. So go ahead and open this up. Part of the issue is the locking hub assembly that's on there right now. The plastic piece on there, when you spun back to put it into free, it actually popped off. And then putting it back on, this plastic piece around the outside edge broke to the point where you might be able to see it in there, but there's a, when I pull it off, I'll show you. There's a the gasket and the plastic piece broke, but we'll go ahead and pop that off. Maybe just a little overkill, but .36-inch pry bar, aka Ford tool. Alright, so Torx bit. See the size of it is. Go. It is a T27. This easy. So there's just 3 screws in there. New one does not come with the screws, so go ahead and make sure we reuse those. So you can see gasket, this plastic piece broke off. What was happening is when I go back to free, this cover come all the way off, which it will do. It's not a problem, it's just when I was putting it back on, that gasket was actually bulging back out, and the plastic piece, as you can see, is broke.
quick inspection in there. Right.
Okay, the new one. Just double check, make sure that I did get the right part. Took it in, I gave them the VIN number, and they had it right there on the shelf. You can see on here, I saw that there was other aftermarket ones. So that used the 3 torque screws, and this one, with the way the assembly is, you can use different ones that'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But none of the ones that I saw on there had the auto feature, which I want to make sure that I left on there. Everything on here is pre-lubed. So I'm going to slip her back in.
One of these, we'll make sure that these screws line up.
So the outside cover piece rotates a little bit, so it's not completely lined up. Not a big deal. Spin it when you need. If anything, you don't want it. It's not going in that easy. You don't want to force it. Move the camera around because there's a little bit better view so you're not staring at my head. I spun it to the auto portion, which allowed me to spin it more freely and get it back into place. It was in auto when I took it out. Course, I'm sure there is a specified torque as there is with everything, but we'll go with P for plenty of tight. There you go. Work that shit. Yeah, I'll do a test run later. Actually, this one, looking at it a little bit more closely,
reason why it was probably allowing that cap to come off is there's a little piece right here that's actually broken off. So like there you can see it. You can also see it up there. So that's probably why it was popping off. So good to go ahead and replace that. I'll just let you see what's inside there. Yeah, that gives it its vacuum feature, allowing it to push, seal up inside there. So there you go. Pretty simple.